G'day, it's Dave Conroy here from the Lone Drainer in Pronto and from Vaporooter Australia. And I'm here at NARRABEEN on the northern beaches of Sydney. And I'm looking at a project where these clients have tree roots in their drains and they need to be able to manage that. Now I'm putting out a call to any young enterprising plumber on Sydney's northern beaches who knows a little bit about block drains, has high pressure water drain cleaning equipment, has CCTV camera equipment, and you would like to learn about being a Vaporooter applicator. That way you can help lots of people like these nice people here in NARRABEEN, and you'll help them and you'll help me, and I may be able to help you. So if you're even slightly interested in learning about Vaporooter, and Vaporooter stops tree roots in drains, then contact me on 1800 637 600 or go to vaporooteraustralia.com.au. I look forward to hearing from you.